Cheers.
Cheers.
And welcome to Wine Wednesday. Today we are going to talk a little bit about shoulder replacements. You might have been told that you need a shoulder replacement, and there are two kinds of shoulder replacements. One being the standard shoulder replacement and the other being a reverse shoulder replacement. So if someone has been told that they need a reverse shoulder replacement, that is usually because the rotator cuff muscles are beyond repair.
There are four muscles that make up the rotator cuff, and often, as Tiffany said, the tendons have either come away from the bone or they're so badly damaged that they can't be reattached and function. So in a reverse replacement, they take the ball of the humerus and make it the socket. So they shave off this and put in a prosthesis that looks like a socket, and then they put a ball on the socket. And that allows the deltoid muscles that overlay all of this, what are on the cap of your shoulder, to lift the arm without the need for the rotator cuff to center the humerus in the socket. In a traditional replacement, you have enough rotator cuff intact, so they do shave the head of the humerus off, but they try to maintain, as much as they can, the tendons intact on the humerus, so that you just... Bruno?
He's guarding us right now.
You remove the arthritis, and then you have an intact shoulder once again.
All right. Thanks.
Cheers.
Cheers.